everyone, I'm Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we'll be walking through how to install Android Studio on Windows. For those of you who don't know about Android Studio, it's an application software to develop Android applications in Java or Kotlin or C++, even Flutter with some plugins added. So let's go ahead to Chrome and download the installer for Android Studio. So let's type in Android Studio and let's go to developer.android.com. So here we are in the download page. Let's click on download Android Studio and let's accept the agreements. Okay, and let's click on download Android Studio for Windows. Let's wait for the download to get completed.
One eternity later.
Download is now complete. Let's click on the installer. Let me minimize this window. So here is our installer. Let's click on next and make sure you choose Android virtual device if you want an emulator. Let's click on next. This path is okay. Let's click on next. Next, install.
A few moments later.
Installation is now complete. Let's click on next and make sure we have this checked, and let's click on finish. So here we do not have any previous version of Android Studio, so let's click on do not import settings. Let's click OK. So let's click on next. So there are two options here, standard and custom. So standard is pretty straightforward. You just do standard, you just choose a theme and that will be done. So I'll go for custom. Let's click on next. This is fine. Let's click on next. I like my themes to be dark, so I'll go with the dark theme. If you want, you can go with a lighter one. Let's click on next. So here we have okay, so this is already installed, a virtual device and SDK. We need to install it. Let's here we are installing API 31. So this is for Android 12. Well, once the Android Studio and this SDK components are set up, you can go ahead and install whichever version of Android you need. You can do that later as well. So this is the path for SDK, and now let's click on next. Here you can customize the RAM that you want to provide for your virtual device. So depending on your system's RAM, so you can give this. And for this latest version of Android Studio, it is preferred that you have at least 8 GB of RAM within your machine. Have a decent machine. That is what I would like to say. So let's click on next. 2 GB is fine for me, so I'll click on next. Now it's just listing up all the components that we chose to download. Let's click on finish and wait for the download and setup to get completed. So I'll meet you guys once this is done.
A few moments later.
So our download and setup is now complete. Let's click on finish. So here is our Android Studio. That is it for this video, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, drop your valuable suggestions and thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such technical content and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.